Hello, my dear subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you very much for watching all my videos, and welcome back. Today I have a small video about a small business plan on how to grow your business, and also don't forget with Pinterest, which is the only search engine that we can rank on Google as well. And there's a free keyword tool called Surfer that you can download it and put it on your Google Chrome. And I will give you an example in a minute, but before we get into this, you need to remember that if you want to grow your business, you need to have a strategic plan. So first of all, you need to make sure that you're increasing your traffic, because if you don't have traffic, you're not going to make any sales and nobody is going to fund your business. You cannot sell anything, you're not going to make money, and you're not going to have food on your table. So that's very important for you to understand. So a lot of you might also find it difficult to get a Tailwind subscription, but if you want, what I suggest is you need to make sure that you find some money, or you can find the money to subscribe, and make sure you subscribe to unlimited tribes, unlimited submissions, because this is really going to help your business increase your traffic. And also from Pinterest, using the keyword tool, you can rank on Google, and also you need to make sure that you are using other tools for your website or your blog, like to add, for example, performance speed plugins into your blog, so you can clean it, so in order to get a lot of traffic. Remember that also whatever you write, use the right keywords. You can use in the Surfer that we're gonna give you an example in a minute. And also what you actually need to do is to sit down and think, what are you selling and what is your offer at present, and how you going to get more sales. First of all, focus on increasing your traffic, and this is very, very important. And then you can offer, you need to sit down and think. If you need some help, for instance, you can always find somebody to help you and recruit people. If you don't have money, you don't have to, because all of us at the beginning, we have some money. But what you need to do is to focus on how to get more sales and how to market your business. If you cannot market your business, you need to find somebody to market for you, and for you to understand that you need to focus on getting more content out for your customers, and you need to focus on how to get more email subscribers and make more sales. So first of all, what you need to do is to make sure that you know what is the next right step for you to do. Because if, for example, you get stuck and you don't know what to do and how to go to the next right step, and you stuck, we don't know how to get more businesses or your sales, what you offer your customers, you don't know what you should do. What you need to think is, am I overthinking this? Am I too much in my head? Ask these questions to yourself, because sometimes if we don't have support and we don't, we cannot do everything by ourselves. So if you cannot have money to spend to find people to help you, even if with a small subscription, I think you can make some space to, find people to help you to market your business, or even, have a small plan. I mean, how are you going to get more sales? How are you going to increase more, your traffic? And you need to focus on your content. What are you selling and who are you going to selling to? Rather than, thinking about what plugin should I use from blog? Do they have hackers hack my blog, or these or other questions that you might stuck and you might not, be able to move forward. So you need to ask yourself, the first right step is to focus on increasing your traffic and get people into your email list. I felt a lot of the times, stuck, and then I have people to help me or try to find the money for people to help me. And this is something for you to think, that you need the right people to support you. I mean, I have Pinterest management services, and I have clients that they don't have time to deal with their accounts. So we manage their accounts, we help them to get more traffic. And this is what you need to do. And this is one part, because we have other parts that you can find other companies, for instance, to help you increase your traffic, and then you will increase your income. So maybe you need to think about what aspects of your business need more attention, and maybe you need to find somebody to help you with that. Now, back in business, and we can check, for example, I checked this before, DIY Halloween costumes with the surfer. And if you see here on the right hand side, we have USA as a search volume and as a search country, and you can get any ideas of this, like women's Halloween costumes, women's Halloween costume ideas, kids Halloween costumes. And this is how you have the backlinks, so the visibility and everything, how many UCK, how many thousands they're looking for those on Pinterest. And here we have below again, and then what you can see here, we have someone who actually has DIY Halloween costumes as board title. So this is not bad, actually. It's really working, and this is an example for you to really work it out and check your keywords and work it out, added to your group words, to your pins descriptions, to your board descriptions, and make sure you rank as high as possible. I want to say, as you can see, this guy or this woman, whoever that is, hasn't got any keywords to this board, but he or she just have this DIY Halloween costumes, which is incredible, and he ranks straight away. So you can use the surfer not only obviously for Pinterest, but you can use it also for Google, because that's a replacement from Keyword Everywhere, which is now paid version. It's not very expensive, but we're trying to save you some money and trying to help you to grow your business and earn some money from your business. Spend some money in advertising, but try to do everything correctly. And then you can think about how you're gonna put all those customers to the email list and to a newsletter, and send out information to them to convert them into a sale. This is very important for you to understand that having a strategic plan is going to get you somewhere. Having no plan is not going to get you anywhere. So you need to think, for example, the marketing, the operations. You need to think about team, and that is, as I say, is something that you need to think about later on, but sometimes you might also consider now, because you need to have some team to support you and take it further. And also you need maybe to networking as well. So you need to find some company maybe to show you the path of starting networking and start doing some PR with media, so you get your business out there, because we have the internet, we also have other businesses and other aspects of businesses that we need to grow. So that's it for me today. And please have a link of a business plan that I will put it below. So if you want to download it and get some ideas, and please let me know if you need any help. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel.